Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set flipping by touch on mode vertical flipping on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three line at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings button. You can find the reading section. Click to the first option, the flipping and indicator of pages. And you can find the last section, the vertical flipping. Click to the first option and you can set the line, page, percentage, or you can disable the function. So that's just select one and click to the circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.